Hello, this is Mr. Vargas, and today we're going to practice requests. What are requests? Well, basically, requests can be an order or even a favor we ask someone to do. Let's take a look at some examples. Complete your homework. This is an order, but it's also a request. I need some money. This is a favor, but it's also a request what you need. Give me $5. This can be an order or a favor. All of these three examples are requests. When we want favors or orders, we try to use phrases that help us convince people, phrases that help us sound more polite. So we can take a look at these examples from the grammar focus. The first part corresponds to modal versus simple past form. This is something that we have seen before. One example is, can you keep your cat inside, please? Could you turn the music down, please? Will you please park your car in your space? We use these phrases or these modal verbs, can, could, would, simply to sound more polite. There's a phrase that is even more polite than these modal verbs, and this phrase is, would you mind? Would you mind is a very polite phrase that we use to request, to make requests, or to ask for favors. Let's read these examples. Would you mind keeping your cat inside, please? Would you mind turning the music down, please? Would you mind not parking your car in my space? Whenever we use the phrase, would you mind, this is followed by a gerund verb. Notice, keeping, turning, parking. Would you mind keeping? Would you mind turning? Would you mind not parking? When we use would you mind in a negative way, we use the word not. Would you mind not parking? Would you mind not using my phone? Would you mind not checking my phone? So please make sure that when you use the phrase would you mind, you use it followed by a gerund, and if the phrase is in a negative form, use the word not. Thank you and see you next time.